And this took me 8 minutes, guys, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Hey. 8. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber, and in this video I am going to try out these spiral rods. There are not a lot of people who tried these spiral rods yet out on YouTube, but there are a couple. Like if you type in spiral rods on the YouTube search bar, you'll probably see like 7 videos or something like that. And I watched a couple of those videos, and you know, the ladies that tried these spiral rods, the results looked really bomb. But just like the time and the effort to install these ones, I hate time and effort when it comes to trying out new things, okay? I want things to happen effortlessly. So yeah, today we're trying out this. This was extremely cheap, and I don't know why on earth I went ahead and bought all of this. Like all of this. I don't know why. I bought 6 packs of these things. But I was just like, you know, if I want to do my whole head, I don't want to run out of rods or whatever. But now that I'm looking at them, I'm like, girl, shouldn't have done that. But these were cheap anyways, because I saw a couple of videos already on these things. Like a lot of people had like a little bit the same feedback. It looked amazing, but it's just a lot of work. But I still want to try it out. But the thing, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do my whole head with this one. Let me show you how it looks. This is a spiral rod. You know, I had the option in ordering like the long ones and short ones, and I went ahead and buy the long ones. These are the long ones. Yo, my hair is not even going to fit on this. So that's already a problem. So that's why I'm also like, girl, I'm not. So I'm just going to try this out on just a section of my hair, because if I'm really convinced about these rods, then I'm going to do the rest of my hair. Because you know, installing these ones will probably take me about like 45 years, and I'm not about that life. Okay, so my hair is already pretty detangled. I detangled my hair like 2 days ago, and I just put it in a bun because I was too lazy to wash my hair. I'm just going to re-wet my hair. I'm going to do the technique that I saw only one Jess do. The rods were also too short for her hair, so what she did was she actually just twisted her hair for a little bit, and then she installed the rods, so her ends were like really coily. So that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, because I don't know why they don't create like long ones. This is my cream of nature mousse. This is the mousse that I always use for like styles like these ones, rods, perm rods, whatever. So I twisted my hair for a little bit. Now I'm going to install this. Okay, so I don't know how to do this, but I assume it's like you just have to hook this onto your hair and then just roll your hair. No, the other side. No, wait.
Bruh.
You see why I didn't want to do my whole head in this. Oh my gosh, this takes so long to do. Oh my gosh. Who even has, oh my gosh. Okay, so all the girls that did like their whole head with this is taking me so long. Okay, so they also come with these little plastic thingies to end your twists. Okay, so this is one rod installed, and this took me 8 minutes, guys. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Hey. 8. You know, it looks easy, okay? I know you're probably thinking like, girl, this can't be that hard. Yes! I'm so confused on a different level, because how on earth do you wrap your hair around these things? Okay, wow, I'm finally done. So as you can see, I twisted this part and then I just installed these rollers. Guys, this took almost 15 minutes. This was about 45 minutes. Yeah, look, this is such a hassle to get in. You really need to get the hang of it. This will probably take me 3 hours to finish my whole head. And who has that time? And I have 7 rods left in this pack, and I did like 1/4 of my hair. Okay, so it is 4 hours later. I let these air dry for a bit, and then I went ahead and sit underneath the hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. And I think my hair is pretty dry right now. You definitely cannot sleep in this. Do not sleep in this, okay? Girl, don't. Why would anyone? Why would anyone? Never mind. I really don't know how these ones are going to turn out, so let's unravel them, okay? Wow. You guys see how nice this curl is? Wow, this is so beautiful. Ooh, shiny too. Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is bomb. My hair is 100% dry, by the way. Okay, whoa, you see the shine? Okay, this mousse definitely helped with the shine, but okay, this looks actually really bomb. I'm just quickly going to unravel my twists. To be honest, this is actually like a twist out for me. You know, I'm gonna be honest, if I did my whole head in these spiral rollers, that would have been cute though. Like, okay, see how cute these curls are? Like, whoa. Because you know, I don't have these type of curls, like these really tight curls, and I really like this. Wow, extremely defined curls. These curls are so bomb. Yeah, the results are nice. Like, I'm talking about the results only. Like, the results are nice, but I'm not talking about the whole process because that was not nice. Okay, the whole process was so time consuming. 45 minutes to only do this. I really am not going to sit here for 3 hours doing this. No. In the meantime, I can just get a bomb ass twist out. I don't know if this is worth it. If you have hair way shorter than mine, or if you have like, you know, big chopped, then this is worth it. But if your hair is longer than mine, girl, don't do it. Like, don't. But yeah, other than that, click the link in my description box if you're interested in these ones. You never know. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section, would you try these spiral rollers out on your hair? Why not? Why would you? And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You guys know that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.